In this SQL challenge, we're going to look at a SQL interview problem from Microsoft and NVIDIA called product transaction count. And the difficulty is rated medium. Let's look at the problem below. We need to find the number of transactions that occurred for each product. The goal is to output the product name along with the corresponding transaction count, and the results should be ordered by the product ID in ascending order. Products without transactions can be ignored, so they won't appear in the output. We are given two tables to work with: Excel SQL inventory data and Excel SQL transaction data. Now, let's go over the tables. The Excel SQL inventory data table stores information about each product. It includes fields such as product ID, which uniquely identifies each product, and product name, which is the name of the product. There are also other fields like product type, unit, price per unit, wholesale, and current inventory, but these are not needed to solve the problem. The Excel SQL transaction data table, on the other hand, stores information on each transaction. It has transaction ID to uniquely identify each transaction, time to indicate when the transaction occurred, and product ID to link each transaction to a specific product in the inventory. To solve this problem, let's begin by joining the Excel SQL transaction data table using the alias T1 to the Excel SQL inventory data table using the alias T2 on the product ID field. This join matches each transaction with its corresponding product information, allowing us to pull the product name for each transaction. Next, select the product name field from the inventory table and use the count function on product ID from the transaction table. This count will give the total number of transactions for each product. After the join, group the results by both product name and product ID to ensure that the count is calculated separately for each product. Finally, sort the output by product ID in ascending order as required in the problem. Run the query to ensure the output is correct. Now click Check Solution, and the system will mark the solution as solved. And that is everything I am going to cover for this tutorial. Hopefully you guys find this video useful. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.